Microsoft offers BitLocker encryption feature for Windows to encrypt entire volumes, thus protecting data from unauthorized access. Sometimes, due to virus attack, accidental or intentional formatting, you may lose data on it. In this video, we are going to show you how to easily recover data from Windows Bitlocker encrypted drive, as well as how to remove BitLocker encryption. Let's get started. To recover data from BitLocker encrypted drive, all you need to do is to download and install Tenorshare 4 DDig on your computer. Once you launch the program, there will be a padlock which tells you the drive is BitLocker encrypted. Just select Target Encrypted Drive and then click Start. You will get a prompt asking you to enter the password to unlock the drive. Now we enter the password and click Unlock to remove the BitLocker encryption. Afterwards, 4DDig will do an all-around scanning on the drive to find lost data. After the scanning, select Target Files to preview and click Recover to save them. Next, we will show you 4 ways to remove BitLocker encryption on Windows 10. The first method to remove BitLocker encryption through Control Panel. Go to the Start button, select Control Panel, choose System and Security. Select BitLocker Drive Encryption. Click Turn off BitLocker, which will automatically unlock the selected drive. The second method to fix BitLocker encryption by using BitLocker Manager. Choose this PC and then you will see the devices in the drives. Choose your BitLocker drive and right-click on the mouse. As a result, you will get the Manage BitLocker option. Enter the BitLocker drive encryption interface. You are offered a series of options. To disable the BitLocker encryption, you need to click Turn off BitLocker. After that, you will get a notice about this action. Click Turn off BitLocker again. In the end, the BitLocker encryption will not work on your drive. The third method to disable BitLocker through Windows PowerShell. Right-click on Start button and select the Windows PowerShell admin program. When you open Windows PowerShell as the administrator, you can type Disable BitLocker, mount point drive letter. Press Enter and the BitLocker drive decryption process will begin. In a short time, your BitLocker protection will be turned off for the drive. Fourth method to turn off BitLocker by using Command Prompt. Search Command Prompt, admin to run Command Prompt as an administrator. Type the following command, manage BD unlock H, recovery password your BitLocker recovery key. Press Enter. Now type this command, manage BD off H, to remove BitLocker drive encryption. This is all about how to recover data from BitLocker encrypted drive. If you've ever lost data from Mac, Windows, USB flash drive, SD card, external hard drive, digital camera, and more, just give it a try to Tenorshare 4 DDig. See you next time.